Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can create a retargeting campaign in LinkedIn Ads account. So in order to do this, once we are inside the account, so therefore it's a two-step process which we have to follow here, wherein the first thing which we are going to do is we are going to first create the audience segment in which we will start collecting the audience data. And that is what we are going to link to our remarketing, our retargeting campaign. So let's create the audience segment first by going to plan and in audiences. And this is where we can create the audience. So we are going to create a matched audience, which is going to be for retargeting purposes. So here, let's say I want to target those people who interact with my single image ad. So I'm going to choose single image and I can give it a name. And then I can also decide how did they engage. Any interactions with your ad, people who perform chargeable clicks on the ad. So how you want it to be, which kind of users you want to target. So let's say we want to target those people who specifically clicked on the ad. And then we can also record the time range, the last 30 days data of the people who interacted with our single image ad. We are going to collect data of them. And then you can choose the campaign for which you want to do it. So let's say this is the campaign and we can create the audience. So now this is the audience which we have created. Now what we can do is we can go to the campaign, which is in advertise, new campaign. This is the one, and we can edit this campaign. And we can come to the audiences section where we are going to link it to the audience segment which we created. So let's come to the audiences section over here, and we can come to who is your target audience. And this is where we can go ahead and link it. So you can see in audiences, you have retargeting. And in retargeting, we are specifically looking at single image. And this is the audience which we have created, single image audience one. So we can select that. So this linking is done. After this, all we have to do is we have to create the single image ad for this particular campaign. So let's have a look at that as well. You can fill in all the other details. And now we can create the ad for this. We can give our URL. And we can upload the image as well. We can also provide the description. The more clear information you can provide, the better it is. And then we can give a call to action phrase as well. As you can see, this is how the ad is going to look like to our customers. Once all this information is filled in, then we can save this ad. So this is becoming our another ad which we have created. And then we can build out the campaign further. So these are all the details. We can save and exit. So now the campaign has been built out. In this particular manner, we are going to build out the retargeting campaign on LinkedIn Ads platform. As you saw, because we require to create the audience segment as well, which is going to now collect the data. So how it's going to work is once the ad starts running, people who will be clicking on the single image ad, their data we will start collecting. And we will be following those people going forward. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand now how retargeting campaigns are built out on LinkedIn Ads platform.